Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform a factory reset on your locked Android device. So I have an Android phone here, I don't remember the screen lock, so we have to turn it off and hold the power button and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. Now select recovery mode by clicking volume up. Now to accept, click volume down. Now the phone should boot in the recovery mode. You can see we are in it and just choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. If you want to perform factory reset, click yes and accept it by the power button. Remember, you will lose all of your data if you don't have any backup. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.